Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. Attractive and accommodating, treat yourself to a vehicle that does more for you. Features include automatic transmission, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, Bluetooth streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, low-speed forward automatic collision mitigation braking system, and V6 engine. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.